Hello everyone and welcome to the EdTech Tip of the Week. This week's tip is Remind 101. Alright, and this is a very cool, safe, free way for teachers to text message their students and even their parents. And it does so by keeping everything very private. Nobody knows anybody else's phone number. It's very cool. And you're only able to send messages. They are not able to reply to you. So this is simply just to get the message out. A lot of people prefer getting messages through texts over email today. So this provides you with a free way of doing that safely and privately. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create our account. We'll do that by clicking Get Started. And here you'll put in your info, your title, whether it's Mr., Mrs., Ms., Doctor, Coach, Professor, first, last name, email, and your password. And when you click Sign Up, you'll see the same thing that I'll see here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, which I've already created. It has no classes yet. This is what you'll see when you click Sign Up. And now we need to name our class. We've got to go ahead and add it in there. So we're going to make Algebra 1 today. Alright, and now we click Add. And you're able to add as many classes as you like later on. And here is the important part. Your students or your parents will need to know this phone number. And they will need to know that they have to put in this message when they send it. Send a text to that number, and that's going to enroll them in your Algebra 1 class. This is a unique class code for Algebra 1. It's going to give you a unique code for every class that you create, and that's how people are able to enroll. So if you want to get in touch with your parents, create a class just for them, and give them the info that they need. Give them that phone number and whatever the message, the unique code is going to be assigned to you. Alright, so now we'll want to go ahead and click Continue, and it's time to have a student enroll in the class. Alright, today that's going to be me. So let's go ahead and bring up my phone so you can see what it looks like. And we're going to send a text message to 904-270-9923 with the message at F07A2. And just that. Alright. Interesting. I don't know what the errors are about because clearly it worked. We'll see here that I've been enrolled in the class. You can tell I've gotten this message back here thanking me for enrolling. And now we'll need to see how to send a message to the class. So we'll just assume everyone's been signed up. We can check on that. Let's refresh the page. And there I am, one subscriber, Tim Doherty. I've been signed up for the class. Now I need to go ahead and remind everybody to do their homework that night. So let's type our message. Don't forget to do your homework. And all we've got to do is click Send. But before we do that, I just want to show you a cool feature. You can schedule your messages so that they go out whenever the best time is going to be. That way you don't have to worry about it later on at night when you're trying to relax at home. So if you want to send a message to your parents at 8 o'clock, you can do that. You just click on Schedule for later, and you can even do it at a later date. It doesn't have to be on that day. So say we wanted to send a message to them at 8 o'clock tonight. All we have to do is move these sliders here to 8 p.m. Make sure we've got the correct date selected and click Done. And by doing that, it's going to be sent on a schedule, and you'll see the button jump here to let you know that that is working. But we don't need that to happen right now. We want the message to go out right away. So we'll click X, and that'll get rid of the schedule. And we'll see here it's changed back to Send. Alright, so let's go ahead and send our message. And now we're going to go back to my phone. And it's already there, just that quick. Don't forget to do your homework. Alright. And as I said earlier, there's no way for parents or teachers to respond. This is simply a way for you to get a message out. It keeps everything very private. Nobody sees anybody else's phone number. Alright. This is Remind 101, your EdTech Tip of the Week. Enjoy.